So I wanted to show you a couple of other techniques that you can use with kinesiology tape. So as we've been going through the course here, we talk about stretching the muscle, put the stabilizing one down with minimal stretch, as you know, and then we'll put the decompression stretch over the point of pain. So let's say that's your side of pain there, okay? So we got that and we've done that. So that's what we're doing, just like that, like a cross. Now, if you want to, let's say someone had severe pain or they weren't responding like they should, then what you can do is do two on top of it. So these two will be two, instead of just having one decompression to offload, you'll do like an X marks the spot on top of it. So you can do that because you can imagine these two, if one's decompressing and offloading the tissues, then two is going to do even more. So you might want to do that for, let's say, if it's really painful or not responding. So that's just another option to you, for you. So that's what I say. So now we've got that. Now another thing that you see in the Osgood Schlatter disease, we did with the X marks the spot. Now this is another technique they use in kinesiotaping. We're just simply using that over a spot of pain. So think of L5S1 pain, right on the disc there, bottom of the spine. It's not on the muscle tissue, so you can just decompress these just like an X. So both of them are decompression strips. So pull them right to the end as we do, and then put them on, next one over the top. So that's another technique you can use. Or if you're just not sure of how to do something, just think X marks the spot. Decompress both of these on 80% stretch, both of these like that, and that's another way that you can use kinesiotape. Again, if you're not certain of what's going on, or if it's sacroiliac joint where you can't really stretch, or you simply don't know how to stretch that muscle, then you could simply just do that if you're confused.